Hey, this is Chantel with WTI. My husband really enjoys playing music and he has been really impressed with this Spark amp because of all the cool features that it has. There's an app that works alongside of the amp that has an endless amount of tones and effects that you can use. And I also love that it doubles as a Bluetooth speaker. The app is really intuitive and allows you to play along with a virtual band, which is great for practicing. And it can also be used as a recording interface via a USB connection to your computer, so that's an awesome feature. My husband has even used it to practice with his band, so it does get loud enough to hear over drums. It's just been a really great amp that is very easy to travel with. This Spark amp has been a great purchase, but that's just our point of view.